quite a good job. Got some trees and plants here, I don't know what they are, but I didn't want to cut them down. All the stuff we found in here. Plenty of stuff to work with. Got those up here. Apple tree, another apple tree I think, and another apple tree. And then some other trees, I don't know what these are.
Compost bins at the ready. Just gotta fill this one, job done.
So I've forgotten the GoPro again, but I'll try to keep you up to date, just using my phone just to give you a bit of footage. Show you what we've been doing by here. We're building the chicken coop, and all I've done is use basically scrap wood. I bought a couple of pieces of treated timber, but I've used whatever and salvaged whatever I can during the process. So as you can see, I just got the top and the bottom rectangle frame, and all I've done, I put these big 4 posts which are salvaged onto a levelled ground, which I've levelled. There's also a couple in the middle down by it. A couple down the middle. This is going to be the door right here. This is the door, and I'm just in the process now of putting the floor down, which also salvaged wood right there. So I'm going to try and use what I can out of this. Get the floor in, and next thing then we can get the sides on and the roof on. And the kids are taking some apples off the tree for us. We're going to have a go at making some cider and some apple juice, of course.
I got a new apple.
Yum yum, look at them.
Got a
Well
new
done.
apple.
You got to check all the old ones first though. All them ones like E and A. And then we're going to get the new ones. Alright, cool. As you can see, I'm doing it all by hand. It's pretty hard work.
I can't see you.
So I'm going to have to try and figure out getting a
Daddy.
generator to run my tools off, I think.
I can't see you.
Well, we've got the first piece in here. Just putting this piece in now. And yeah. One man's trash is another man's treasure. That's what it's all about. I'm trying not to spend so much money on it. You know, at the end of the day, this is an allotment. And we're going to try and use what we can get for free. Cool. Alright, back to it. So one more thing, it's probably a good idea to use galvanized screws, so I did have to buy some of them. You can use nails, and I was going to use nails, but in the process, once I got my chickens in here, I'm going to want to move them around, and the screws are going to make it a lot easier just to undo, so yeah. Cool. Can you pass me the saw, please?
Okay. Here you go.
Thanks, dude. Good job. Right, so just so you can see how I'm cutting these boards. So I've measured all across here. These are 4 inches. Measure across, see how lot. Measure this, measure this, measure this. I can see how far it is. Here's my shape here. I come down, across, up, across, and back down to here. Take this out, should slot straight in.
It's got a sign on here, and
You're king.
I'm the big king.
So I think this is day 4 at the allotment. You're working hard, aren't you? Got some helping hands there. You're doing a very good job. So I'm just cleaving up the side of the fence here. I'm just going to clean it all up, clean it all off. I'm going to make sure there's no holes in the fence and fix any holes that I can find in the fence. Just make sure no foxes are going to get in, because you're going to put some chickens on the plot. So I'm just in the border at the moment. I'll sort it all out. And yeah, as you can see, I'll show you there's quite a few holes. Got some good holes up here, massive holes right here. So yeah, that's the plan for today, I think. Might do some other bits and bobs, but that's the main plan. I'm just going to try and get this border sorted, make sure it's all secured, ready for the hens and the chicks and the, yeah. Alright.
Thank you.